we need to build firstly based on the top goals of the business of company and the top leader career development. But we need to clarify about the skill gap of the employees, what they need, and set the competency base, skill, knowledge, attitude, and we analyze a lot of details about every of the employees, every our employees. Hi everyone, you are watching Workforce Flywheel Show of VSHR Pro Academy. As I introduced with before, I work for the technologies and the service and manufacturing in many years in the role of the SR director. So now I'm managing the SR teams in the cross country for the software product company, that the C2C platform company. Yeah. So that's my role, and I have a lot of many years to working in SR field up to now. So yes, that's my experience in SR field. Involved to the process and a lot of the company to support them and to build the two elements, that's career development and the work-life balance. It's not about a statement from the company. In my hand-on experience in companies, that we need to build firstly based on top goals of the business of company and the top leader. So I will discuss with my usually in my part is for the top leader of the company. So we will set some goals aligned with the company mission and set the action plans for that. For example, with the career development, that we need to clarify about the skill gap of the employees, what they need, and set the competency base. So when we have the competency about the skill, knowledge, attitude, and we analyze a lot of details about every of the employees, every our employees. So for that, we will now exactly with it the career goals of every employee aligned with the company goals. And after that, we will discuss with them to nurture, to help them to improve for the prospect, the job prospect with the company, and with the work-life balance. The companies around Vietnam, they have the strategy quite different, but I think in general, they can have the plan to allow the employees to be more flexible with their times of working, and to gain the productivities. They will allow the employee to arrange their time or get the hybrid or more flexible time to work, or they can maybe sometimes some company let employee to choose the project or some tasks that they choose by the favorite of their career prospect to improve their skill and the working skill. So I think that is very meaningful to have keep the career development sticky with the work-life balance of the employee.
Are you looking to make your workforce more productive and effective? Yes, right? So then I have a great news for you. So check out the description section of this video. There is a bunch of scorecard for you. So what is this scorecard for? So those scorecard can help you to assess different aspect of your workforce present situation. And then when you take the scorecard, you will get understanding of your present situation, You will get industry benchmarks, and not only that, you will also receive our expert advice as well too, so you can tackle them and make your workforce more productive and effective as well too. And one more great thing, there is no fees for scorecards, so feel free to use and also share to your friends and other colleagues as well too. And if you need more our help, so check the also description section. There is a link for us where you can book an appointment with our expert to have a conversation as well too. Are you a business or HR leader? Then this is an excellent challenge for you. So don't forget to subscribe right now so you don't miss out the next valuable insights and tools and guidelines from us.